Hello YouTube, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be updating the cable on one of my EVSE chargers. Since I got the Tesla, it has a different connector than my old car, and so that cable needs to be replaced. So this video is going to be me doing that, and if you want any information about Open EVSE chargers, I'll leave a link in the description for anyone else who wants to build one. I also have a video of me opening my first one when I got that, if you look back at my older videos. Now, as a bit of fun, I did make a mistake in this video. Luckily, I thought I'd done it at the time, and I went and double checked before I actually tried to use the charger, and my suspicions were correct that I had made a mistake, so I rectified it before I used the charger for the first time. But see if you can spot what mistake I made, and leave your comment in the comment section, and I'll let you know, yeah, once there's been a few comments, whether or not you were right. Okay, enjoy the video. So back when the first EVs came out, most of them had a Type 1 connector, which looks like this. Now these were for sort of lower power ratings than the modern EVs come with, and so most modern EVs now have a Type 2 connector, which looks like this. So you can see that they're quite different. Now the new car needs to have a Type 2 connector, so what I have to do is take the existing cable out of the bottom of my EVSE charger, which I built myself, and if you want to see the video on these, then I'll leave a link to that at the end of the video. But what I've got to do is disconnect this cable from inside here, and then connect this new cable with the Type 2 connector on it to the end. And then I also have to make some modifications in my software so that it will enable the higher charge rates that this cable supports. So the first thing to do is to disconnect the power, and then get the cover off and get this cable disconnected. Okay, so I've got the cover off, so I just need to disconnect the live and neutral cables from for this cable, unthread them from this coil and that coil, disconnect the earth and disconnect the signal line, and then I can undo this grommet and take out this old cable, and then I've just got to put the new cable through the grommet and reconnect up the cables on the new cable in the same way as they were for the old one. Tighten up the grommet, and that should be it. Job done. Whenever you do something like this, it's always useful, I find, to take a photograph of what it is before you dismantle it, just in case you ever need to refer back to it. I'm going to need a smaller screwdriver for the pilot line. Okay, that's all the wires disconnected. So I've got the old cable out. The one thing I might have to do is trim some of the new cable to be the right length, but we'll only really know that once I've installed it. So here's my nice new cable with lovely blue coating. I ordered that from I think it was a company called EV Cables. I'll leave a link in the notes to the place that I got it from. They're not cheap, but it seems like it's good quality, and they're made to order. So it comes with pre-crimped ends, which is very nice. So this little thin one, that's the signal line, and then you've got the live earth and neutral. Okay, I need to take a good 3 or 4 centimeters of this sheathing off to get enough length of cable to reach the terminals, so I'll do that. Okay, I've taken a bit more of that off, so let's try again. Okay, so the pilot line with the crimped end on it is too thick to fit inside the connector, so I'm going to have to take the crimp off and just put it in as the bare wires, which will be fine. Okay, I think that's it. Put the cover back on. Should be good to go. Right, I'll just put a couple of screws in for now while I power it back on and just check that everything's working. Okay, well, the display's come back on, so I guess that means it's all working. We just have to wait now for the new car to arrive tomorrow, and we can test it. Okay, did you spot the mistake? Like I say, leave a comment in the comments below. Let me know what you think I did wrong. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Cheers.